Hey everyone, thanks for watching. I've got a really cool haul for you guys. I'm actually going to just jump right in because it's quite a long video already. So you can see here I have a tank top from Target. I couldn't believe that I found this at Target. This is an extra small. It was the last size they had. You can tuck it in, you can leave it out. I've worn this with these pants before, also with some denim jeans. It's just a really casual shirt. I love the logo on it. I've actually worn it without the bodysuit and it's very comfortable. It actually doesn't show any real boob, if that makes sense. So you can just wear like a bralette underneath. It's just really cool and casual, and it's a really thin material, so it's good for summer. Next from Target, I picked up this black sweatshirt. This is actually a kid's Hanes sweatshirt, boy size, and it's an extra large. It fits perfect. I always wanted to find a really good kind of snug slim fit sweatshirt that was just plain, and lo and behold, boys section, extra large. I'm actually going to be trying the tie-dye whole trend that's going on, so I bought my little ones matching black sweatshirts with me, and I'm going to be using bleach to tie-dye them. So in the meantime, I'm really enjoying just the plain black sweatshirt. And then from Nordstrom, I picked up 3 pairs of SKIMS. I didn't want to try these on because it basically looked like I'm naked, which I'm not comfortable doing on YouTube. So I'm going to show you here. I got the full bodysuit that has the shorts attached with the top. And then I also got these like mid-thigh shorts. And then I also got the above the knee shorts. I have tried them on. They're super snug, very comfortable. They pull everything in. When you hold them up outside of the box, it actually looks like it fits like a baby, but they fit really good. I like the way they felt, and the prices weren't awful at all on Nordstrom. I don't know if they're different anywhere else, but as you can see, I got an extra small / extra small in all 3, and I loved the way they fit. To me, they didn't roll down or anything, but I just can't wait to start wearing these like during the summer with outfits that are going to be requiring this type of pull togetherness. Also from Nordstrom, I picked up 2 pairs of my very first mom jeans. Why have I not owned a pair of mom jeans before this? I've always owned high-rise skinny jeans, but never mom jeans. And so I decided to search for them, found these on Nordstrom, and you guys, they were so inexpensive. I really didn't know why, so I ordered a couple. Nordstrom has free returns, so I took a chance, and they are so comfortable. They look so good. The brand is, I think, PTCL. I love the wash, and here's the second pair. These are a little bit more cropped, and these ones don't fit as snug. Both of them are in size 24, and I've worn these jeans never with heels. I've actually worn them with just wedge sneakers by Michael Kors, and they look really cute, but these are so comfortable. I love both of them so much. The price for each of these, I think these were on sale. I think they were less than $30, and then the other ones were, I think, around like less than $50. So great price. I feel like they're super high quality, and they look so darn good. Love how high the waist is. It's just perfect. I'm so happy I found these jeans. All right, kicking off my Forever 21 haul, I got this camo dress. Normally I wouldn't buy something like this, but my daughter owns the exact same one from Forever 21, the girls section, and I thought it would be cute to start trying to like do matchy clothes. We don't do that a whole lot, so I told her I found a matching camo dress, and she was so happy. So I think I would add a belt to it for sure to add some structure to it, but it's super cute. Next is this beautiful dress. It's like a dusty rose color. It has a belt, buttons that go all the way down, ribbed fabric. It has slits on both sides. I don't know if I really like the slits on both sides. I might sew one side up and see what it looks like. The belt came like this already, so I didn't undo it for this video, but I probably will when I wear this out in public. But I'm just in love with this dress. A great date night dress, or just a really nice dinner out with girlfriends. Next is this gorgeous bodysuit. I still can't believe that I got this from Forever 21. I would wear a cardigan over it or a duster, which I have done before. The lace goes all the way down. It is beautiful. I love the detailing. I just am absolutely shocked that I got this from Forever 21 because it looks so high quality. And again, I would wear it with a cardigan, and then at night, if it was warm, I would feel comfortable taking it off because it looks so pretty. I also got the same one in black, which is just as gorgeous. This one, again, I would definitely wear it with a cardigan or a sweater or some kind of a jacket over my shoulders. And then if it was warm at night, I would definitely feel comfortable wearing it by itself. Wear it with a skirt, with jeans, so cute. Then I got these really comfortable pants. One of my favorite colors, if you can't tell, is this dusty rose color. I love how loose and casual, just comfortable these pants are. These are a size small, and it's just a really comfortable fit. It's still loose on the top. It has a zipper that goes down, and it doesn't have any pockets, which I'm totally okay with because sometimes they can look a little bit bulky, but I just love the wide leg. It looks really cool with sandals. You can also just wear it with flats if you want a more casual look. Wear it with a sweater, bodysuit. I'm in love with these pants. So in love that I got a couple more pairs of these wide leg pants from Forever 21. These next pair of pants have got to be one of my favorite. They are just a little bit more snug than the Dusty Rose ones, but not by much. But the fabric just looks more luxe than Forever 21. The fit is perfect. This color is a dream. And this is something that you can wear during the day, during the summer, because it just looks so light and airy, but you can also wear this at night and glam it up for sure. I love these pants. These are a size small as well. It has a zipper on the side. It looks good with a tank top here, just very casual. It would also look great with a blazer or a chunky sweater. So in love. The next pair of wide leg pants that I got are these black pair of kind of like crepe style pants, meaning that they are okay looking a little bit wrinkled and creased. It has an elastic waistband, which is pretty wide, so you can wear them super high up or a little bit lower on the waist if you want. I've actually never worn these with heels, but it looks pretty cute. I've worn them more casually with sandals, and this is great for poolside, going to the beach, using it as a cover up. It's really light and airy. It is a little bit see-through, which you can't tell right now, but if you wear a white bodysuit, which I wouldn't, but for this video I didn't realize it was going to show up on camera, it's definitely see-through. So cute as a cover-up at the pool if you will be wearing a bodysuit underneath, or you can just wear, nude colored undies so that you wouldn't be able to see it underneath coming through, or just wear them at night and you wouldn't be able to see through them anyways. Very, very comfortable. Next, I have two sweaters that I got. They are extremely lightweight. This one is kind of like a peach color, just casual, cute, around the house. And then I got this gray one here. They are a little bit shorter than I like. I probably should have got a medium, but these are both in the size small. And it's just nice to have around the house or when I'm working out. Moving on to a bunch of bodysuits that I got. Here's a white one. It has a super deep V, and there's like a metal piece inside. I don't know if it's metal or plastic, but it stays up, and I just love how clean and crisp it looks. This is great for summer, during the day or night. Throw a cardigan over it when you get a little bit chilly. You can also pair this with a pair of jeans or some denim shorts. Such a good look. This next bodysuit is so cozy. The fabric is just super soft. It has a deep V, two straps that go straight back, and I am in love with this bodysuit. I have the same thing in black, same deep V. I don't know if it's metal or plastic on the inside that keeps it shape, but again, really nice fabric, very, very comfortable. This next one is just a super cute summer piece. It's also a bodysuit that has a little bit of ruching. It has a little peek hole right through here, and it doesn't come with any straps. Still a nice soft fabric. I do have to wear an adhesive bra to keep it up so it kind of sticks to it. Otherwise, this thing would definitely fall down on me. This bodysuit here is kind of a risk taker for me. I don't ever really buy animal print, but I couldn't resist. I actually really like it. I love how like the triangle top is kind of a little bit higher. on the chest, and it's a really stretchy fabric. It just looks so cozy. Fabric is, again, very soft and comfortable. My husband really loved this piece. He knew that it was something that I don't normally wear, so I was happy that he liked it. This next bodysuit is a like leather look, faux leather bodysuit, something that I would reserve for the evening, not during the day. I just love this look though. The next thing I have are these two dusters. Forgive me for the outfit I am wearing underneath. This is not what I would wear, but it was the closest thing that I could find and put together really fast to just show off the duster itself. I love all the detailing, all the lace. I would wear something that's more of a maxi dress, either white, black, or nude underneath, and I'm actually going to be changing this duster into a maxi dress, adding the buttons that you see here. I'm gonna add them all the way down to the bottom of the duster so it looks more of like a maxi dress. I used safety pins for this video, but look at the sleeves here. It's just a really pretty lace. Here's the bottom matching as well, and I just love the way it looks. So boho, so cute. I also got this one, which I am so in love with. I can't believe that I got this on Forever 21. It's just gorgeous. Again, not wearing this outfit underneath, definitely wearing something also maxi underneath, white, black, or nude to really complement the dress. This is also a duster that I'm going to make into a maxi dress, so I'm going to add buttons all the way down so it can be completely closed instead of open like it is here. Here's the waist up close. It's so pretty. I love all of the detailing. The fabric is really nice. The sleeves, the lace detail on the sleeves, the lace detail throughout, even at the bottom of the dress, it's so pretty. Got a scalloped collar here. These would both be so pretty to wear to a summer wedding. And then we got a few things for my daughter. I wanted to show you guys what we got her, and she was definitely happy to model it. Got a few tops and a couple of bodysuits, and she is definitely getting down this YouTube modeling fashion haul stuff. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!